Hello friends and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a sabzi, sweet and sour bhindi ki sabzi. It is a delicious curry style sabzi of bhindi and this one is cooked in Maharashtrian style. The unique sweet and sour taste of this sabzi makes it a truly wonderful finger licking recipe to eat with roti or with fulka. So first let us take a look at the ingredients that we need to make this sweet and sour bhindi ki sabzi. Bhindi or lady's finger 2 cups cut in small pieces, oil 3 teaspoons, mustard seeds half a teaspoon, asafoetida or hing 1/4 of a teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, dried tamarind 1.5 inch big piece soaking in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes, jaggery or good 2 tablespoons, salt by taste, red chili powder by taste, Maharashtrian kala or goda masala 1.5 teaspoons, but instead of this you can also use a combination of 1 teaspoon coriander powder and half a teaspoon cumin powder. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, then add asafoetida or hing and also turmeric powder. Now add all the bhindi pieces and then turn them around. Keep the heat on low to medium and stir fry the bhindi till it becomes completely soft and cooked. Remember to turn it around a couple of times in between. While the bhindi is getting cooked, let us squeeze out all the pulp from the soaking tamarind. Now strain out all the tamarind juice and discard all the pulp. And we are going to use it once the bhindi gets cooked. After stir frying for about 5 to 10 minutes, you can see that the color of the bhindi has changed and it has also become soft. So now we are going to add the tamarind juice to it. Also add little more water, about 1/4 to half a cup, and then add the jaggery, red chili powder, the Maharashtrian goda masala, and as I said before, if Maharashtrian goda masala is not available, then you can use a combination of 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And now add salt according to your taste. Now mix everything together nicely and allow it to cook till it starts boiling. Continue to boil on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes and then turn off the gas. So our delicious sweet and sour bhindi ki sabzi is now ready. I hope you really like the recipe. Do try making it at home. Remember to post any questions or comments and also remember to like and subscribe Uma's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.